In front of me is a REALME X50, a 5G, and today I'll show you how to hard reset the device through settings. Now to get started, you want to open up the settings app. From there scroll down to additional settings. From here we're looking for backup and reset, erase all data, factory reset, and then on the bottom erase all data. Now if you have some kind of protection on the device, you will need to confirm it. As you can see, I have a pattern, so let's draw that, and this will bring up the window. So let's tap on erase all data, and again it gives us a message that this will remove all the data from the phone, including photos, videos, stuff like that. If there's anything that you would like to back up, you might want to do that before, but assuming you have done it or you don't care, erase all data, and this will begin removing everything. And once it's finished, we'll be then greeted with the Android setup screen. So I'll be back once that is visible. And as you can see, now the process is finished, and you can set up your device as however you like. So if you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit like, subscribe, and thanks for watching.